Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. Under the hood we have a 3.6-liter V6 engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in the metallic silver and it looks great. You got that chrome accenting up here on the grille with the Jeep logo right there. Now we also have halogen quad headlamps with the projector style as well, and you do have your fog lights just down there. Now coming around the side here, we do have 17-inch rims with our tires there. They are prime well tires. They look great, tons of tread left on them, and those rims look very nice as well. You got the Grand Cherokee logo right there, and you do have your your mirrors in the same color as the rest of the vehicle, and they are heated as well. Now coming around the back here, we do have the 4x4 logo, the Jeep logo, and the Laredo logo all right there. And as long as it is unlocked, all you gotta do is press this button and open up the trunk here. Tons and tons of room back here as well. It looks great. It's very soft, so nothing will be getting scratched up. You got a bit of additional storage over there, a bit more over here, and you do have an emergency light there. You can lift this guy up, and you do have your spare tire just under there as well in case you ever need it, and those seats do fold forward as well. Okay, we got our keys here. We got 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock, and we also have remote start just on this other set of keys right here. Just hold that guy there, and it will start up for us. Remote start is especially nice in the winter. Get it nice and warm for you. It's really nice in the winter. Now, if it is locked, it does also have proximity keyless entry. So as long as the key is on your person, all you gotta do is put your hand in there, and it will unlock. And then you got the button there to lock it as well. Now on the door here, you do have a bit of that chrome accenting on this handle here, kind of that wood finish along here. It looks very nice. You have your electronic mirrors, windows, and locks all right there. A handle here, and some storage down here with like a water bottle holder. Now coming down here, we do have our controls over our lumbar support here, and then our electric seat, so back and forward, as well as the leaning back and forward. And then over here, we do have the controls of our lights. So we got our auto, our off, our daytime running lights, and our low beams, as well as our fog lights in the middle, and our in-cabin light control there. And of course, to open up our gas is right there. And then we also have, right over here, our controls over our windshield wipers and our high beams. Okay, it is push to start, so all you gotta do is have the key in your pocket, foot on the brake, and start it up just like that. Now in the center here, we have a very beautiful cluster display here. We also have our engine temperature, our fuel gauge, and our RPM right there. Now in the center there, it does say how many kilometers we have, 57,000. Not very many, it's still looking awesome. And it does have our speedometer in the middle there. We can change that guy. We can change it to miles per hour. You have your oil pressure or your vehicle info. You have your fuel economy. You also have your trip A, and then you have your audio, your stored messages, and then you can do the screen setup as well and customize that a bit, as well as you got your speedometer. You can change it like that or like that. Both look great. That is all controlled from the center here, right here, as well as you have your call out button, your voice recognition, and your hang up button for your Bluetooth. Horn in the center, and you do also have your cruise control options. And you got some paddle shifters here if you do want to go into manual mode, which is always fun. We do also have a 5-inch touchscreen display over here, so we do have AM, FM, and Sirius XM. As well, you got your media tab here if you do have one hooked up through USB, Bluetooth, aux cord, or an SD card. You also have your Bluetooth here if you have anything, you have your phone here if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth. You also got your compass over here. You have your climate control. It is a dual climate, so you and your passenger can have different levels of heat. And then you also have your more options there. Now down here we do have our hazard lights, our screen off, and our back button, and our volume up and down, plus our mute. And our browser over here, AC, circulation, the dual climate again, auto, off, power up and down, heat for, your front and rear defrost, and then you got your eco mode and your traction control. Press this button, and you got a little storage container in here. So you do have an SD card slot, an aux cord, and a USB in there. As well, you do have cup holders here and our gear shift right here. So you press the button, pull it back, and it shifts just like that, and then it goes back into place. Or you push it all the way forward for park, and it's actually really nice. It's very, very cool. You got a little bit of storage here, and then you do have your center console here. It is felt, so it is very soft. Nothing will be getting scratched up. It is dual layer, so you got the top one as well. And then you have a locking glove box just over here. Also very soft. You can lock it up if you did want to, and nothing will be getting taken out of there. You also have that wood finish over here. And then up top here, we do have some lights, as well as a sunglass holder. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. Now we have that same wood finish, as well as we have the chrome here. And you have that handle. Bit of storage down here. You could throw a water bottle as well. Very soft back here. Same material as the front. It looks great and it feels awesome. As well, you got this guy here. You can pull this down if you don't want the person in the middle. And you do have another, an armrest, sorry. And you have some cup holders in there as well. They got their own vents hanging out down here. And you can also pull this guy, and it will fold it forward just like I had said before, giving you even more room in the back to put something back here. And there's our 3.6 liter V6 engine. And that does it for my walk around video of the 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.